I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will know about two types of sets. The first one is empty set and the second one is subsets. So as you know that set theory plays an important role of foundations of many mathematical concepts like functions, relations, calculus, also sequences in series, topology, and for many branches of mathematics. And a clear understanding of set theory is mandatory. So now I have started from the basics so that if I make any video on advanced topic, so you will understand. So start from empty set. So I'm writing here first of all definition of empty set. So a set A is said to be an empty set if it does not contain any element. So a set A is said to be an empty set if it does not contain any element. That means in set A there is not any element. It is denoted by either phi or curly braces, opening curly brace and closing curly brace in which there is no element. Now let us see some examples. So first example I am going to write here. Suppose that you are defining a set A as X such that X lies between 1, let me write it again. You are defining a set A, X lies between 1 and 2, where X is a natural number. So you can understand here between 1 and 2. So again I am writing between 1 and 2 there is no natural number. So what will A contain? A will contain nothing or 5. So here A is an empty set. Now I am going to give you second example. So suppose A is defined as x such that x square is equal to -5, where x is a real number. So here you can see that square root, what will this give? Square x square is equal to -5. This will imply x square is equal to under root 5, under root -5. And you know that a number which has negative sign cannot belong to real number. So again A will be empty. This is another example of an empty set. Now I am going to give you third example. So example third. A is defined as x such that x square is equal to 16, where x is an odd number. Again, you can see that here x is equal to 16. This implies that x will have two roots, -4 and 4, and none of them is an odd number. So again A is empty. So this was third example of an empty set. Now let us understand about subset. So first of all, I am going to write definition of subsets. So I am writing here subset. First of all, understand the definition. A set A is called subset of a set B if every element of A is an element of B. So now let us try to understand it. And here it is denoted by A is subset of B. So this symbol is used for subset, showing the subset. Now let us take numerical example. So I am taking A which has two elements, 2 and 3, and a set B which has three elements, 2, 3 and 5. So you can see that every element of A is an element of B. So these two elements are element of B. So you can write that A is subset of B. Now understand another example. If I am taking A which has 2, 3, B has 3, 5 and 7. Here B has more elements, but it does not contain 2. So A is not subset of B, and it is denoted by this one. Subset symbol, there is a strike on subset symbol, so that is not subset. So A is not subset of B. Now understand proper subset. So I am drawing a line here. Proper subset. So see that a proper subset you have understood, a proper subset has at least one element. You can say that at least one element, which you can say that here, just I am giving you an example. A is equal to 2 and 3 and B is 2, 3, 2, 5, 7 also. So here you can say that A is a proper subset of B because B contains at least one element. Actually here it contains two elements which is not in A. So you can say that A is proper subset of B and B is called superset of A. Right? Now let us see another concept related to subset. Suppose that I am writing A is a subset of B and B is subset of A. So this is only possible if they would be result in A is equal to B. Example, if I am taking A 5 and 7 and B again 5 and 7. So A is a subset of B, also B is a subset of A. So this will imply that A is equal to B. The same way, like you say that x is greater than or equal to 5 and x is also greater than or equal to 5. This will imply that x is equal to 5. The same concept applies here. So this was about empty set and subset. Hope you have understood. If you are watching on Facebook, so like and follow. If you are watching on YouTube, so subscribe my channel and like the video. If you are another platform, so the same way you can like, follow or subscribe, whatever apply you can do. So thanks for watching the video.